Hey, what's up? Or better yet, I think I should say wagwan. So I had a learn to speak Jamaican Patwa video up, and the other day I got a message or a comment from, I think, a subscriber, and he wanted to I wanted to know how to say, I think it's a poem, poem in Patwa. So his question was, I have a question, maybe you can help me solve. How can I say this in the Jamaican way? And then he gives the poem, and then maybe you can help him with a tutorial. So this is the tutorial, and the name of the person is Ruben Caballero, unless it's like Spanish, and then it's Ruben Caballero. So yeah, shout out to you, and thank you so much for watching that video. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna read the poem just as Ali wrote it, and after which I'm going to say the poem in a more Jamaicanized way, because when I read it, it actually had a few bits of English and then a few bits of Patwa, but I'll read it both as Ali wrote it and also the raw Jamaican way. Alright, is make we start. Okay, so the poem reads, she rises and she falls like a star, her life right off like a car, her face full of all kind of scar, always quick for start a war. She can't keep herself up to par, she plays like a broken guitar, she always wants to take it too far, I doubt she a gonna make it too far. I don't know if you wrote this, Ruben, but I actually like it a lot. But let me just now read it in a way that would be more Jamaicanized. And then in the description box, I'll put how it's written fully in Patwa. Alright, so in Patwa would be, maybe change the words a little bit. So she rise and she fall like a star, her life right off like a one car, her face full up of all kind of scar, always ready to start a war. She can't keep herself up to par, she play like a broken guitar, she always want to take it too far, I doubt she gonna make it too far. Let me do that again. And she fall like a star, her life right off like a one car, her face full up of all kind of scar, she always quick to start a war. She can't keep herself up to par, she plays like a broken guitar, she always want to take it too far, I doubt she gonna make it too far. That is like super funny. I enjoyed reading that so much. So Ruben, you can just look into the description box below, and there you will see the full Patwa version written down. So thank you so much for that comment, and I hope you're happy with this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Enough love from Jamaica. One love. Bye. Later.